Today we're going to be doing a termite treatment. The first step to that's going to be trench and treat around the home. So what we're going to do is we're going to dig down 6 inches and across 6 inches around the perimeter of the home to make sure we get a solid treatment. Anything that's going to be concrete, we're going to go ahead and drill 10 to 12 foot increments and then treat underneath. So the next step, we're going to go inside, and all of the active spots that are on the exterior, we're going to kind of look on the inside and treat with the spot treatment of Termites or AT. Now what we're going to do is the treatment part of the trench. We're going to mix 0.8 ounces per gallon of water, and then we're going to go ahead and dump it in 10 foot intervals.